Hello, my name is Enuagwuna Ubaka. I'm the convener of the First Teachers reality TV show in Nigeria and in Africa. I have over 13 years teaching experience. I'm here to share my idea on how I went on the journey of bringing back the lost glory of the Nigerian teacher. The topic for my TED talk is restoring the lost pride of the Nigerian and African teacher. I want to show the general public, the audience, how I was able to use my platform to restore the lost glory of the teaching profession in Nigeria and in Africa. I will show the audience how my show was able to create a paradigm shift in the teaching profession and how my show was able to make teachers millionaires and celebrities. And I'm going to show the general public and the audience how to create something out of nothing. I think you should invite me for this TED Talk because of the contribution I have made in the teaching profession, especially as concerned the teachers. You should invite me because I'm the convener of the First Teachers reality TV show in Nigeria and in Africa. You should invite me because of my contribution to the teaching profession and how I've created a paradigm shift that now improved the recognition given to teachers in the country and the continent. Thank you.